In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Mailchimp campaign. This is a fantastic way to save time if you often send similar newsletters or promotional emails to different segments of your audience, or if you want to use an existing campaign as a template for future ones. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be taken to the Mailchimp dashboard, which is essentially your home base. Here, you'll find a plethora of options, but for today's purpose, we're going to focus on duplicating a campaign. From the dashboard, look for the Campaigns option, usually located on the upper portion of the screen. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, you'll be taken to a page where all your past and current campaigns are listed. This is where things start getting interesting. You'll need to identify the campaign you wish to duplicate. Take a moment to scroll through your campaigns and find that particular email campaign that served you well and you think could be reused or repurposed. Feeling nostalgic yet? Once you've made your choice, it's time to work the magic. Hover over the campaign you want to duplicate, and you should see a few options appear beside it. One of these options will be Replicate. This button is about to become your best friend. Give it a click, and Mailchimp will start creating a copy of the campaign for you. It's almost like magic, but as we all know, it's just the wonders of technology at work. Once you click Replicate, give the system a moment to process. Mailchimp will create an exact copy of the campaign, including its content, formatting, and even the email subject. However, it's important to note here that the recipient list isn't copied over. This is actually beneficial as it allows you to choose a different segment of your audience or adjust the existing list, making your duplicated campaign even more targeted. Now, why is this process so helpful? Duplicating campaigns saves you the hassle of recreating the wheel every time you want to send out a campaign. Instead of starting from scratch, you've got a base to work from. You can make necessary adjustments, tweak the content to suit the new context, or update any links and images to keep things fresh. It's all about working smarter, not harder. So what should you do next? Take a moment to review the duplicated campaign, update the email subject if needed, tweak the content, perhaps change up the imagery, and definitely review your sending list. This part of the process allows you to personalize and cater the campaign more specifically to its intended audience. Once you're satisfied with the modifications, you're almost ready to send your campaign. Before you hit send, though, always send a test email to yourself. This is a vital step in ensuring everything looks as it should. Check the layout, links, and overall flow. It's better to catch any errors now than post-send out. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a Mailchimp campaign, tailored it to your needs, and ensured everything is primed and ready. Duplicating campaigns is a simple yet effective way to streamline your email marketing efforts and ensure consistency across your communications. It allows you to leverage the successes of past campaigns while still offering room for customization and improvement. So go ahead, give it a try, and see just how much time and effort you save. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been insightful and that you feel confident in replicating your future Mailchimp campaigns. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.